Hello and welcome to the Chris Edworthy YouTube channel. Here today is my Rav4 that I bought to make a point about road tax in the UK. My road tax on my Range Rover L322, which is probably worth about 7,000 or 8,000 quid, as Range Rover prices seem to be plummeting in the UK at the moment, that it was costing me £735 a year to tax just to keep it on the road. Now, I'm not in the worst country for this. I've had a few people from Ireland commenting saying, try €2,500 to keep their cars on the road over there. But I did buy this car to make a point that this car, which was originally £700, I actually managed to get it for £600. I could either pay my road tax on my Range Rover or buy an entire car. I've had a few of you comment saying, well, Chris, a £7,000, £8,000 Range Rover, £700 road tax, you've gone and bought a worse situation. And I have, because this car at £600 has 400 and something pounds road tax to pay. So it's not exactly the ideal car if you want cheap road tax. However, it is a great off-roader. I have done about 1,500 miles down country lanes, a bit of motorway mileage. It has had a couple of issues. It has a blown exhaust, which I've had to replace. I've had to replace 2 rear tyres. So I'm all in about 1,000 quid for the car. Can you go from a £600 Rav4 to a Rolls Royce? Now, I know I already own a Rolls Royce, but I thought it would be interesting to see whether I could take a Rav4 at £600 and turn it into a modern day Rolls Royce, newer than the current one I've got. I have taken inspiration from other people. There was a story in the press a few years ago of someone going from a paperclip, I think it was in America, a paperclip, and swapped a lot of things to get to a house and ended up achieving that in quite a short period of time using social media. Now, it might not be that I buy and sell every car. I'm up for swapping. So if you've got something out there you think I could barter and trade with you, I'm up for that, and get involved, please do. It will be listed online if you do want it. If you do want a really reliable daily driver, starts, runs, drives really quite nicely actually. I've got children's seats in the back of it. I've got wellies in the back. Well, I've been to football matches. As you can see, I've been down muddy country lanes. It's running really well. But please do subscribe. It helps out the channel massively. It's not just for my vanity. It does actually help the channel. YouTube rely on your subscribers to know whether the video is any good. If I don't have any subscribers, YouTube doesn't know if the video is any good. So please, please, please do subscribe to the channel and follow me on this journey of Rav4 to Rolls Royce. And remember to comment below if you think it's a dreadful idea or the best idea going. I'm Chris Edworthy. This is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you watched all the way till now. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.